Come go with me as I go shopping in my Parisian neighborhood. This is the 16th arrondissement. It is near the Eiffel Tower. I'm just taking a stroll. It's a decent day. And I'm taking a stroll. This is a local movie theater. It's a very small theater. You can see far in the background, if you look up, that is actually the Eiffel Tower, the tip of the Eiffel Tower, the tallest building. It looks like a building, but it's not. It's actually the tip of the Eiffel Tower. And just taking a walk, taking a friendly walk. Today is, this day was a nice day. The weather, I think, is finally starting to break a little bit. And so you see people who are dressed in sweatshirts and hoodies and t-shirts, and they've got coats and they're taking their jackets off because it's getting warm. And so I'm just glad the weather is finally starting to break and it's feeling great outside. And spring is finally here. Thank you, Jesus. So this particular neighborhood, there are a mix of stores. You've got chocolatiers. You can see the Lindt, Lindt, Lint's. They're a chocolatier. There are stores selling crystal. There's Joe Malone with perfumes and candles and all that good stuff. There's Sandro, a luxury retailer. There's Max Mara that is nearby. There are different stores like Benetton. This is like a retail shopping strip. You can see the MAC store there. There's a Sephora also nearby. But this is a luxury retail shopping strip in my neighborhood. It is like a central business district or central business area. This is just kind of give you a look around. And you can see just folks are out milling around. Again, it's a decent day. And so I wanted to kind of get out of the house. And this is like the central business district area. You can find all sorts of stuff here. That's the McDonald's right there. It's a street that kind of cuts through this particular area. It's called Passy. And you can take a stroll and you can see the dogs there. They are so cute. They're just saying hello to each other. But this particular area, it's got bars, restaurants, it's got cheese shops, it's got bakeries or boulangerie, it's got restaurants, it's got a variety of fruit and vegetable stores and stands. So people are just walking around, having a good time. I'm enjoying the scenery myself. You can see here, there's going to be, I'm trying not to get folks too much of people's faces, but it's kind of, I can't help it in some cases. But these are the fruits and vegetable stands. You can see these prices. If you want to look at the prices of these fruits and vegetables, that's meat. This particular area, those are tomatoes. They look gorgeous. They're $4.95 a kilo. Now keep in mind, 1 kilo equals about 2 pounds. So it's 2 for 1. So in my mind, I'm always kind of cutting the cost in half. These are some prepared meats that you just are going to prepare. Those aren't exactly my favorite, though. That's where the rotisserie chicken is stored. Rotisserie chicken is big in France. I don't know why. One thing you're going to find is you're going to find some rotisserie chicken and you're going to find you some potatoes, okay, for sale. It's not like going to Costco and getting a rotisserie chicken, but it's the next best thing. These again are the vegetables for sale. They just look absolutely gorgeous. You saw that watermelon back there. I am tempted to get some, but this is a local fruit and vegetable market. They've got some cherries that are the beginning of the season. Fruit and vegetables are really seasonal here. So you're going to find seasonally produced artisan products, grown from local farmers for the most part. This area also has a farmer's market as well. But this is just showing you kind of what's in the commercial shopping district and what types of things you can find. There are bars and restaurants. There's some more cheese again. I'm not your cheese girl. I do love cheese, but I don't love cheese to the point to where I'm willing to eat some with mold on it. Okay, you can find that as well. So I'm not that type of cheese girl. But yeah, these tables and restaurants are usually going to be filled in the afternoon and evenings and lunch hours. It is after lunch. So it's just a weird time and folks aren't there yet. But in this case, we're seeing a local store. This one sells overstock towel and linen goods and hotel items, comforters, robes, candles, beautiful stuff. This is a shot of the beautiful sunshine. That's me. Here I go. And again, walking through, folks have kind of dispersed and left. Those are some fresh juices. Shout out to just the really good things that are available here in France that you can get really, really good products. That is a creperie. I love crepes. I love savory and I love sweet. So that's a library. Love it. All types of things that you can find right here in Paris. Visit.